What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm super excited to unbox the Soundcore Q35 by Anker. I already own the Q20 and I'm planning to get the Q30 as well to do a comparison for you guys, but I'm super excited to unbox this headphone and show it to you. Okay, so now let's start unboxing. So I'm gonna take out my knife here. Boom. So first impressions is they definitely improved the packaging from the Q30s, at least because that's one of their lower end over-ear headphones. So right off the bat, I'm noticing a huge improvement in the packaging itself. You get this beautiful, oh my God, this actually feels really nice. Beautiful type of felt case. Let's come back to that in a second. Let's open that up. And right away, you are greeted with the headphones. Let's put the headphones to the side for just a second. Let's see what else you get. I love that it's giving you an outline on how you should put the headphones in the bag in case you're unclear. Because believe it or not, I actually mess up sometimes and I put it in the wrong way. And then I have to try to force the case closed and, you know, end up putting it in the wrong way. But let's open up this little bag that it came with. So you have your airplane port adapter. Next, you have its charger. So a cool thing about these headphones is that they function, and they charge using USB-C. So that is really good because, as you know, a lot of devices nowadays are using USB-C connections. So put that to the side. And then finally, you have your auxiliary cable. Okay, so now let's take a look at the headphones itself. So right here, you have this sticker that's telling you about touch for transparency. So one of the really awesome features about these headphones is you can tap for 1 second on the left ear cup and you can toggle between transparency mode and noise cancellation mode. But you also have switches to the side of the headphones on the ear cups, around the ear cups, where you can toggle also the different modes of noise cancellation. So let's take a look at the controls now. So it's pretty much very straightforward. And the one huge improvement I noticed from the Q20s, which I know it's an unfair comparison, but hang with me here because I currently only have the Q20s before these headphones. So the big improvement is with the Q20s is you had the volume up, and then in between the volume up and down, you had the pause button. And this was really annoying because I always got confused and I was pressing either the volume up or the volume down. So what I like about this one now is that they gave this space between each, control. So you have your volume up, your volume down, and then finally the pause and play button. And then you have your auxiliary jack. Okay, so now let's take a look at the other ear cup. And right here you have your USB-C to charge your headphone. And then right here you have your power button. So if you hold this down, you can pair it and start using it. And then finally you have your noise cancellation mode where you can toggle between the different modes of noise cancellation. Or like I already mentioned, on the left ear cup, let me just twist it around here. On the left ear cup, you can just tap the actual part of the left side, of the headphone, and it will toggle between transparency and active noise cancellation. A couple more things I noticed with these headphones is how well built it is, especially, and you can usually tell that based on when you fold it, how flimsy it is or the clicking that you hear. So with these, it's you feel like it's screwed in really tight, nice and very well built, and it can just handle a lot. But at the same time, it's lightweight. It's not heavy at all on your head. It's not like some other headphones out there that you put them on and it's not comfortable after a few hours. And if you've been watching my other headphone videos on this channel, you probably know what I'm talking about. And if if we just play around with it, you can tell it's not heavy. It's not like very, glued together. It's very flexible. It's light, and it's really nice to have over your head. And then the second thing I want to talk about is the ear cups. So one noticeable difference I noticed with these comparing to the Q20s, which again, I know it's an unfair comparison, but the ear cups are way bigger and the area for your ear to go in is so much bigger. And I love that. I absolutely love that. And I don't know why more headphones don't do this. A lot of them have a lot smaller of a circumference for your ear, and it's just so uncomfortable. With this, there's an opening for an actual normal human ear, and I love it because it makes it so much more comfortable. So in perspective, let me compare it really quick to the ear cups for the Q20. So as you can tell, the Q35, the ear cups and the opening for your ear is slightly bigger than the Q20. So let me put them side by side so you can see better. So that is two main improvements I see with this new Q35 from Soundcore. Now let's talk features, because this headphone has very impressive features. First, let's begin with the active noise cancellation. So Anker listened to a lot of people's feedback from the Q20 and the Q30, and they implemented different modes of active noise cancellation based on your environment. So they included 3 modes. There is indoor, transport, so if you're on a bus or airplane, you can adjust it to that active noise cancellation mode. And finally, you have outdoor mode. So if you're just hiking, working out outside, or just walking around outside just normally, you don't have to work out. It's really cool. The next couple features is it features the same high-res audio. I'm sure it's a little bit more improved from the Q30 and the Q20, but it features the high-res audio chip. It also has smart wearing detection, which is a first out of the Soundcore lineup for the headphones, over-ear headphones. So it has smart wearing detection. So pretty much what that means is when you take off your headphones, it stops playing whatever you're playing in the headphone. And then you also have 40 hours of playtime, and that's with active noise cancellation turned on. If you listen to your headphones without active noise cancellation, you can get about 60 hours of battery life, which is really impressive comparing to a lot of these other headphones out on the market. And then you also have AI noise recognition, and this feature is especially useful when you're on a phone call and you're using the headphones. It can use AI technology to detect your voice, and it can better keep your voice clear while you're on that phone call, so the other person on the other end can listen to you better. A few other notable features is the 5-minute fast charge. And what that means is if you're just in a rush, you forgot to charge your headphones, and you're just trying to get a little bit more battery, what you can do is just stick it into the charger for 5 minutes, and for that 5 minutes, of charging, you get 4 hours of playtime. You also get the fast pairing feature with NFC. And finally, the touch for transparency, which I already showed you earlier, which is when you tap on the left ear cup, it pretty much toggles between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Another really neat thing about these headphones is that these are app enabled, which means you can go in the Soundcore app. So you can download the Soundcore app using Google Play or App Store, and it's just called Soundcore. And once you download it, you can pair your headphones in there, and it's going to be very easy to connect as long as you already have the headphones paired with the phone itself via Bluetooth. And once you do, you get access to this screen, and you can do so many different customizations from this screen. So you can edit your noise cancellation modes right here. So if you don't want to do it on the headphones using the controls, you can do it through the app. You can also go under sleep mode and have it play, very calming sounds before you go to sleep. And then you can also edit and customize the equalizer. So you can, if you really want to go like super custom with the noise that you're hearing, the bass, everything involved regarding your sound experience, you can do that. or personally for me, I'm just going to stick with default for now. And if you go under settings, you can toggle on and off your wearing detection technology. You can also have access to the quick start guide, and you can update your firmware all from the application. The next and final thing I want to do with these headphones is test out the AI enhanced call feature, which is pretty much a more improved mic using AI technology. So what I'm going to do now is connect my headphones to my phone, and I'm going to record a couple phrases to see how well the mic is. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. This is not a drill. If you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So this was me testing out the AI enhanced call feature from Soundcore with these headphones. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Do you think it is very good? Do you not think it's good? Do you think other headphones out there have better mic quality? Let me know down below. I want to know what you think. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you have a great day. Take care.